The drone technology is a very good idea. I think it will help with quick emergency response and help the nurses do their work and their responsibility very well, and it will increase inflow of patients. Most times patients are skeptical about coming to the hospital because there are no drugs, there are no emergency response equipment, but with this I think we can encourage them and make them come to the hospital. I think the drone technology will also go a long way to improve child and maternal mortality rates, to help save the mother, save the child.
We're also looking at emergency response and disaster reduction. And we're also looking at data imagery around ground truth for different government services across the country, and also around potential for providing connectivity in emergency situations.